Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Dodge Dart battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a new battery. Before starting, ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. For your safety, always wear protective gloves and safety glasses throughout this process. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure battery replacement. Now let's disconnect the old battery. First, locate your Dodge Dart's battery. It is typically found under the hood or sometimes in the trunk. Using your 10mm wrench, carefully disconnect the negative terminal first. This is a crucial safety step. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. Finally, remove any hold-down clamps or straps securing the battery in its tray. This prepares the old battery for removal. With the old battery removed, it is time to install the new one. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the battery tray and the cable terminals using a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the clean tray, making sure it sits securely. Fasten any hold-down clamps or straps firmly. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, ensuring both are tight and secure. You are almost done. For the final steps, double-check that all connections are tight and that the new battery is stable in its tray. Give it a gentle wiggle to ensure it is not loose. Now, start your Dodge Dart to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly and your vehicle powers on without issue. Remember to responsibly dispose of your old battery at an authorized recycling center. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.